Hello, this is Adam from Thomas Bird. Today we're looking at a Hampton penny loafer. This pair is in a very nice hand-finished black patina. We also have other colours: tan, chestnut, oxblood, blue and brown suede. They're all handcrafted in Italy using full-grain calf leather. Here's the leather saddle with the slot for the penny from which the loafer gets its name. Penny loafers have a stitched apron. We include discreet elastic gussets to make them easier to put on and for comfort, and they also allow for a slightly higher instep. The top line is neat, there are no raw edges. As we taper or skive the edge, then we fold and stitch it. Inside the heel we use suede to stop your heel slipping. The loafer has a full calf leather lining. This helps absorb moisture and it prolongs the life of the shoe. And we use a genuine full leather insole. The sole is stitched onto the upper with a traditional Italian method called Blake stitching. This is an in-channel lock stitching technique. Rubber insert, which helps with added wear and better grip. There's a 25mm leather stacked heel held with 4 brass pins, and a gentleman's corner, a small bevel that reduces snagging of the heel on your trousers. So that is a Hampton penny loafer, a beautifully made, high quality loafer that with care should give you many years of enjoyment. If you have any questions, please do let us know, and thank you for watching.